question of the day. What is home equity? I feel like I get this question all the time. I have a house, I should have equity, I want it, how do I get it? Well, equity is essentially the piece of the house that you actually own. And what I mean by that is it's the difference between the value of the house and what you owe on the house. So if you have a $200,000 house, you owe $100,000. If you were to sell the house, they'd pay off the $100,000 and you would get the $100,000 difference. That's what equity is. Now, equity can change. If you pay down your loan balance and your loan gets smaller, your equity is going to get bigger. It can also change with the market. If appraised values continue to rise like they have been, your equity is going to increase. So if your house is now worth $250,000, congratulations, that's an extra $50,000 worth of equity. Cool. But it can also go the other way. It can go down. So if the market goes down, values go down, your house is now only worth $150,000, well, now you only have $50,000 worth of equity. That sucks. But I mean, you never actually lose anything until you do something with or without it. So now the big question that I get is, how do I get into my equity? So there's two ways that people tend to do that. So the first way is with a home equity loan or a home equity line of credit. These are loans that are designed specifically to try to get the equity out of your home. Now, you get this loan and you can draw on, pay back, sometimes continue to draw on the equity of your home, but these loans tend to be variable. And that means that they're not set, you don't have the set payments, they go up and down with the federal prime rate. So as the industry goes up and down, the payment goes up and down, and sometimes that's a little bit scary. Another way to do it that tends to be a fixed option is by doing a cash out refinance. Now, what that is it is doing a specific refinance, which is going to pay off the loan you have, replace it with a bigger one, and the difference, or your equity, is what you would actually be able to take and use. So old loan gets paid off, new loan, grab a little bit of money, use it for what you need it for. So those are some quick answers about equity. Bye, guys.